Nest Wi-Fi allows you to give a specific device the fastest connection on your network, significantly improving streaming and gaming performance. Device prioritization is managed through the Google Home app, which works with Nest Wi-Fi Pro, Nest Wi-Fi, and Google Wi-Fi systems. When you prioritize a device, Nest Wi-Fi allocates 70% of your available bandwidth to that device, while the remaining 30% is shared among all other devices. This feature uses quality of service, or QoS, to intelligently manage network traffic and ensure your most important devices get the bandwidth they need. Only one device can be prioritized at a time. You can easily select which device gets priority through the device list in your Google Home app. Device prioritization is perfect for gaming consoles and streaming devices, ensuring smooth, lag-free experiences without buffering or interruptions. For video calls, prioritizing your laptop prevents pixelation and audio interruptions. For work-from-home scenarios, prioritizing your work computer ensures stable connectivity during important tasks. To prioritize a device on your Nest Wi-Fi network, you'll use the Google Home app. The process is straightforward and can significantly improve your network experience. First, open the Google Home app and navigate to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for the device prioritization option in your network settings. Next, find and select the device prioritization option. This will show you all connected devices on your network. Finally, select the device you want to prioritize. The system will allocate more bandwidth to this device for better performance. Beyond individual devices, Nest Wi-Fi can automatically prioritize specific activities like video conferencing and gaming when they're detected on your network. These activities are automatically detected and given priority when active. This means you don't need to manually prioritize devices during video calls or gaming sessions. There are important considerations when using device prioritization. When you prioritize one device, it receives about 70% of available bandwidth, while other devices share the remaining 30%. This means prioritizing one device can negatively impact the performance of other devices on your network. It's a trade-off you should consider based on your needs. Additionally, insufficient bandwidth from your internet service provider can limit the effectiveness of device prioritization. Make sure you have adequate internet speed for your needs. Google is continuously improving Nest Wi-Fi with automatic prioritization features. The system is becoming smarter at detecting and prioritizing important activities without manual intervention. These improvements mean less manual configuration and more intelligent network management, making your Nest Wi-Fi system even more effective at delivering optimal performance when you need it most.